this video, you'll learn what to do when your iRobot Roomba fails to dock on the home base. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to Tic-Tac-Toe. Make sure the power cord is connected properly to the outlet and the home base. Also check the circuit breaker to Roomba. Retry docking Roomba. Using a clean, damp, lint-free cloth, clean the input ports and charging contacts on Roomba and the home base. Retry docking Roomba. If all else fails, call iRobot for service. Your problem will be diagnosed and fixed by iRobot. We hope your problem was solved. Thanks for watching this video.